Fulton Hogan, in partnership with the Victoria Infrastructure Delivery Authority, VIDA Rail, and Metro Trains Melbourne, MTM, successfully delivered the Calder Park Drive level crossing removal project through a highly collaborative and solutions-focused approach. The project's scope included a new road bridge, associated rail and road works, drainage, retaining walls and urban design outcomes to improve safety and connectivity. Key challenges included protected flora and fauna, complex interfaces, and site constraints that were overcome through innovative design, stage delivery, and close stakeholder coordination. Overall, the project achieved outstanding quality outcomes, a strong safety focus, and careful environmental stewardship.